Hello YouTube, my name is Dylan. I do art for a living, and in today's tutorial lesson, I'm gonna show you all how to draw Goofy the dog from the Disney character lineup. So I've got my pencil, got my piece of paper, hope you all got yours, and let's begin. We're gonna start with a simple oval, like a really small squash circle for the top of Goofy's head. Because Goofy is a lot of shapes and he is bigger and he's taller than Mickey or Minnie or Donald. And then we're going to put this soft triangle here. That's going to be like his nose and mouth. And remember to draw very loosely and lightly at first, until you get your lines the way you want them for the final drawing. And then we need to put in the middle of his body, which will go like this. Then we're going to put some sticks and circles for the hands. And then we're going to also do the same thing for the legs. And then we're going to put these long ovals for the feet. And this one's going to be like pointing back. Okay, so we've got our basic shapes, our basic stick figure and building blocks. Now we need to draw some of the details, starting with the eyes. These eyes are like large ovals. And they stick together. Then we should put the bridge of his nose right here. Cheek line there. And then we got to put in his pupils on the left sides of his eyes so that he's looking at us. And then make sure to leave the white spot. That's for the highlight. Then you color everything else in. And then that's his cheek. Here's another part of the bridge of the nose. And then the actual nose itself will be shaped almost like an upside down teardrop. And you can color that in. Here's the other side. Then I'm gonna get his mouth, and he's going to be smiling. Then there's the dimple. And then he has his teeth sticking out, so you draw these squares that go like this. And then here's the under part of his mouth. Then we'll define his neck. And then we gotta get his back of his head and his like eyelids. Then we can color everything else in black. All right, now we need to draw these three hairs that stick out of the top of his forehead. And then up here, he's got this hat. It's basically kind of like a square and a sideways oval that goes like this. Then we'll put another one of those. And up here, there's a hat band. Shade that in black. And then right here, you're going to draw this kind of bean shape that goes like this. And then he's also got dog ears that are really long, and they go like this, almost like hot dog shapes. Get it? Hot dog. Just like that. Then you shade in the ears, and they are black. Okay, that's Goofy, but now we also got to draw his clothes and his body. So we'll start with this. He's wearing this orange sweater, so we draw the turtleneck. This will be one of the sleeves. And then you draw the other part of his sleeve. Put a fold line right there. And now we gotta draw the sleeve as well. And they draw these C shapes. And he's also wearing this kind of vest. So we have to draw these straps. But before we get the rest of the vest, we also got to draw one of his arms, one of his hands. So you'll start with this soft triangle, and he's showing 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. And then we will draw the thumb like that. And there's the other part of his arm. Then you shade the arm in like that. There's the rest of his body. And now we should also get his other hand. So we'll draw the sleeve, his wrist, the wrist sleeve of his glove. You color that in. Then we gotta draw his fist, which is gonna be like this, 3 fingers and a thumb. And then draw these 3 wrinkle lines on the top, like that. Now we've got to draw his vest, which is kind of go like this, almost like a cape. Then put a whole line there. And same thing with over here. And now we shade the vest in. It's all black. And now we gotta draw his pants. These are like sweatpants, so you're gonna draw this kind of sort of S shape. And another one like that. And make sure to put the fold lines on it. It almost looks like a belt or maybe a scarf or something like that. And then we're gonna draw the front leg first. Like that. And then you're going to draw an upside down soft triangle. And then put a sleeve line there. And then we got to draw his shoe. We're going to be seeing it from the bottom, so we'll just start by coloring that in. And then we draw his kind of flattened out S. And then you draw the middle part of the shoe. Then we also got to draw the heel, which will be shaped like this, like a half oval. Then you'll bring a straight line there, and then this is one shoe. And now we're almost done. We got to draw his other leg and his other shoe, and this time it'll be seen from the top and not the bottom. So we draw one leg there, one sleeve line, there's his leg, then you're going to draw the ring for where his shoe comes from. There's the top of his shoe, and draw those 2 wrinkle lines. And there's the heel. And there you have it. You have your own picture of Goofy the dog. I'm sure you did good on your drawing. And if you need to watch it again, feel free to watch it again. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye.